Obusiafo. If you hear what this Nigerian and Cameroonian guy said about Ghanaians, chai, in fact, guys, I still dey vex. Let me allow you guys watch the video, and definitely I will be back because of course I have something to tell these dumb-headed guys. Let's watch.
All those Ghanaians went through my comment section where they abuse me, where they insult me. I pour all of on a speed. I don't tell her what I tell her. If you show for her, more drop on a location first. Una just they make noise up and down. See, now I know why Shatawale on her own. They enter on her youth back to back. Because we not really get her for a year. Nothing there and I empty. When I carry empty this thing, they walk up and down. Now I know. But I don't tell on and I go still tell on her again. That smoke well on they gather. If he still let that turn to fire, and if he turn to fire, firewood go collect. Even pot and something where they inside pot go still collect. Nigeria must go, Nigeria must go, Nigeria must go. Ghana, see Ghana, we know them world map. When I know they show for world map. Nobody know Ghana. Go any country, call Ghana, they go ask you where is that? Who is that? When I want they talk, Nigeria must go, Nigeria must go. One sense and individual.
Ghanaians, normal. If you look this guy where, would I go to say this guy they normal? He don't dey normal now. He don't dey normal. He not good no. She understand. This guy na lack of illiterate the warrior. Na lack of illiterate the warrior. And if you check this guy where he never travel out of Nigeria before. Ordinary Cotonou self, he never go. Not talk of say he won't go Ghana. He don't know what they happen. Now what is the cause am? He don't know what they happen. He just they talk carelessly. He does they talk carelessly. He dey open mouth, they talk say Ghana not supposed to dey for map. Where your own country, Nigeria, they come up for map. It's so funny when Nigeria go they want to downgrade Ghana. Instead they won't talk about Ghana, they go say just Ghana. See Ghana, oh. My brother, that Ghana, they prefer that Ghana pass your country. If they want talk about African countries where they progress, Ghana go still dey front before Nigeria. Una eye go clear. I dey tell you say una eye go clear. Because the way they talk, they talk out of, they talk off point. You say if you don't know what you they talk. You are a lost person. A whole Ghana. Travel go Ghana, go see for yourself. What thing Ghana president don't do? Since way Tinubu don't need that seat, Tinubu never do half of her. Never do half of her. You see why I talk say Nigeria, they get shame with pride. These are the 1% of Nigerians who don't get sense. They don't get sense, my Ghanaians. They don't get sense, so now shame with pride, oh, they get to. They don't get sense. A whole Ghana now. Ghana go first day for map now before Nigeria. The same Ghana not supposed day for map. Nigeria they go, they vanish. You did it, they talk. Like see, the rest people where they talk the truth, we will know what they talk about. Una eye go clear. See the way they describe Ghana. Just Ghana. You never chop belly full. You never chop belly full. Because you don't know what they happen. You are still sleeping. You yourself when they talk self, you they sleep. You yourself, you know say that condition where you dey safe. That 2% bar a day. Your battery never charge reach. See, I go see the talker, man. See, as a present, as it stands now, no compare yourself. Maybe Nigeria know they compare themselves to Ghanaians. Ghana, the country self, me Nigeria know they compare. Ghana is way far ahead of us. So, my Ghanaians, I bet when I leave this guy, when I leave him, normal, if una see and I go say the guy no dey alright. Una no say he no dey alright. The way they talk self, go no say this one never travel before. You understand? I know even sure say this one don't even come up for his state, enter Lagos self. I'm not sure. So when I know mine now lack of illiterate the warrior. I bet me no verse. You understand? When I leave him in the mumu himself. Just like I said, Now the 1% of Nigeria, now one of them is way mumu. Their eye never open.
Almighty Cameroon president cannot use this nonsense. Almighty Cameroon president don't use this thing as a presidential car. See Ghana presidential car. Benz. A president of a country is using Benz. Benz where your boys get everywhere. Come for Cameroon, come say as we they throw this Benz for road. We just park on one side, you know the use. How much Benz of 19 million, 18 million, and then be this. Benz where comments and they get. Celebrities that they buy anyhow. Now you in a presidential car for Ghana president. See the car now. Car will not get bulletproof if he die at any moment. Presidential car for Ghana na Benz. They want to Ghana, but they make noise. Una say una get money, una get CD for una country, una no fit fix una presidential dealer, una no fit buy presidential car for una president. This ones are choosing a personal car because the country cannot afford a car for the president now. See car, Benz. Which country, which African president going to use Benz? Which kind of Benz be this one? Benz for Yahoo boys, now any president they use. Sure.
This is the number one reason why Nigerians will never grow, because I do not see the reason why someone will just wake up one morning, carry his tripod, his phone, or whatsoever, put in front of him and start spilling out rubbish from his mouth. Waiting concern Ghana, concern you Nigerians. Waiting concern waiting they happen to winner for Nigeria with Ghanaians. Like, I don't understand. Instead of you to focus on what is happening, tackle what is happening to you. Everybody is, is pitying you guys. Everybody just they pray for winner, but winner no one pray for winner self. You guys don't pity yourselves in Nigeria, because I don't see the reason why this hot time that people are dying anyhow, Fulani Herdsmen, all these terrorists are attacking and whatever, but you guys don't want to focus and do what will help you. All you can do is to come online and start insulting countries that are peaceful. I beg. This video vex me, guys. Obusiafo, I beg, this Nigerian lady want to know the difference between Ghana and Nigerian Hausa. Please, make una help her, okay? Let's hear from the horse's mouth. Let's not be like I'm the one asking, no. Let's hear what the lady have to say. And please, at the end of it, drop your thoughts in the comment section.
Ghana have Hausa. Burkina Faso have Hausa. Togo, Benin, Chad, Niger, and Nigeria have Hausa. But today I want us to answer this question. What is the difference between Ghana Hausa and Nigerian Hausa? They seem very alike. I understand Ghana Hausa because I've seen them a lot on TikTok here. But I was looking at the map recently and I was realizing, okay, Hausa is not just spoken in Nigeria and Ghana and Chad and Niger. Hausa is also spoken in Burkina Faso, in Ivory Coast. I was surprised. Benin Republic and even Togo, Hausa is spoken there. Now, one of the things that I find really familiar between the Hausa in Ghana and the Hausa in Nigeria is we have very similar cultures. I've seen their foods. They cook with granuts just like us. They cook with different leaves. We have a lot of similar words. I've never heard Togo Hausa. I've never heard Ivory Coast Hausa. I've never heard Burkina Faso Hausa. I've never heard Senegal Hausa. But apparently, all these countries also speak Hausa language. Hausa is one of the largest spoken languages in Africa, aside Swahili, of course, and Arabic. Do you know the difference between Ghana Hausa and Nigerian Hausa? Let me know in the comment section. Do you understand Ghana Hausa? Have you been to Senegal? Do you understand Senegal Hausa? What's the difference? Chad Hausa is almost the same thing as ours, same as Niger. But Ghana, even with the distance, because I'm looking at the map, I say, okay, maybe just after Lagos you enter Ghana. But no, after Lagos, there are two other countries, Togo, Benin, before you even get to Ghana. So I'm wondering, how is our Hausa very similar? Please let me know in the comment section what you think about Ghana Hausa and Arewa Hausa, or Northern Nigerian Hausa, because I mean, who speaks the best Hausa? Let me not brag, but I think it's Nigeria. I beg, no crucify me. Who do you think speaks the best Hausa between Ghana and Nigerian Hausa? And if you have more information about Nigeria and Ghana Hausa, also let me know in the comment section.
I know about Ghana and Nigerian Hausa very well, but the thing is that the Hausa I know in Ghana is as if it's a bit different from the one in Nigeria. Whenever I speak Hausa in Ghana, they say I speak the correct Hausa, but when I'm in Nigeria, in another part of Nigeria, and I speak Hausa, they say I don't know how to speak Hausa. So my own unperfect Hausa yeah, is perfect in Ghana. So I think Nigeria speaks Hausa better than Ghana. It's just like a borrowed language here in Ghana. That's how I say it. Okay, my darling Kaduna girl. I know you're a Kaduna lady, if I'm not mistaken. Shout out to you, and may God continue to open our eyes so we can also learn from Ghanaians, especially when it comes to the peaceful nature. I mean, you know, Muslim Christian thing, the way Muslims and Christians are living in Ghana, you will never know. You will never know. A Muslim and a Christian can stay in the same compound. There will be no fight. They will stay in peace. A Muslim can go to church and celebrate a Christian, and a Christian can go to mosque and celebrate a Muslim. That's how it's been done in Ghana. I just hope that peace is going to reign in our own country, and likewise northern part of Nigeria, because whenever they're talking about separation, like they're gonna separate Nigeria into three, like I am panicking. You know the reason why? Because when they separate, we all are gonna fall under north. And you know the ghost that has been going between the Christians and the Muslims now. If not that now their eyes don't open. But I don't know how it's gonna be when the country is being divided. If they are still gonna put eye on us, like, hey, because I carry eye, see something. No, that's my fear. I pray peace reign in Nigeria. Yeah, guys. This brings me to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you always. Before I go, I would love to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back for your girl. And if this is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe, share, and like the video. Also press the notification bell whenever I drop another one. Guys, I'm so sorry about the background noise. Okay, construction is still going on in my apartment. Sorry. Love you. Bye bye.